News in detail. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi today said that the party will not allow the BJP and RSS to allegedly attack and destroy the culture, traditions and religion of the people of Meghalaya. Addressing a crowd at an election meeting at Malki Ground in Shillong on Wednesday, Gandhi accused the BJP and RSS of trying to dilute the tradition, religion, culture and history of the indigenous communities of Meghalaya, while adding that Congress will stand its ground and fight against such divisive forces. The Congress leader's visit to Meghalaya comes days before Meghalaya goes to polls on the 27th of February.
We are here to defend your culture, to defend your language, to defend your religion. And I'm here as a partner, as a friend, and I come here with humility to learn and to understand from your history, your tradition and your culture. I request you to support the Congress party, to vote for our candidates, our young candidates, our experienced candidates, and ensure that we have a thumping majority in the state.